it's video number 2, part 2, anything you want to call it. And well, yeah, oops. Why do I always trip on something like... Who does this belong to? You, mister? You? Disrespectful. Nope. Can't get me now. Come jumping with me, jumping for my life. Jumping or I'll break the phone. There's a big arrow. I think. What's that photo? So yeah. Oh, that's a good bird. I'm hearing those sounds. Wow, look at the water. What if I fall down? I'll be careful. I thought I saw a tadpole. I guess it's imagination. Oh my god, I almost fell. Why are they so far? I gotta also make sure for tree roots. Hey, cool leaves. Souvenir. For a second I thought that log was a dead person. Don't mind my imagination, bro. One sec. Oops. It kind of looks like one of those desert pictures. Don't you think? Comment down if you think so. I'm in the desert. So yeah. So we're almost done with this video, and I'll make a part 3. And well, oh, hello, cutie. Oh, more plants. Bye.